Hey, what's up? Welcome to the 10-day iPhone app bootcamp. I'm your instructor, Nick Walter, and I'm so excited that you decided to come along for this. In 10 days, you will go from absolute beginner to having your own app submitted to the App Store so that all your friends and family can check out this awesome new skill that you have. So, before I talk about the course, introduce myself as an instructor, there's an essential piece of software that you need to have on your computer before we can move forward. It's called Xcode. It's what we use to write Swift code and make iOS apps, and it's a really big file, like 4 to 5 gigabytes depending on the version. And so I want to get that download started before we go ahead and talk. So I'm going to show you real quick how you can get that on your computer. Let's go ahead and get it started. Currently, the latest version of Xcode, Xcode 10, is in beta version, meaning that you can't download it from the Mac App Store, so we've got to go get it from Apple's developer website. So go ahead and open up a browser like Chrome, Safari, Firefox, and go to the website developer.apple.com. Again, developer.apple.com. Once you go to this website, you'll have to go ahead and log in with your developer account. Now, if you don't have one of those, all you have to do is log in with your Apple ID. This is the account that you use to download apps on your Mac, iPhone, iTunes Store, wherever that is. Use your Apple account by simply tapping on the account button here. Now, one thing I would like to mention just real quick is that you might get a pop-up asking you to leave a review for this course. If you're ready to leave a review, please, great, let me know what you think of it. I really thrive off of reviews. It means a ton to me as an instructor. But if you're not ready, please don't just leave a 1-star review and say, I'll come back and update that later. It really hurts me personally. So if you're not ready, just say, I'll leave this later. But if you are ready, go ahead, leave your own review. Just wanted to put that little tidbit out there. But with that, let's go ahead and move forward. Talk about how you can get the most out of this course.